Thanks for stopping by for another video, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be unboxing Jane's Agenda's June 2023 Deluxe Sub Box, and I'm super excited because I caught a few little glimpses of what's in here, and let's just open her up. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this card already is. I love the black and white with the pops of color. It is really pretty, so hopefully that's the theme throughout. Let's go ahead and take the items out. So here we go, and then we're just gonna slide this out. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and see. So we're gonna have the box tour here, and oh my gosh, that looks so pretty already. But let's go ahead and start here. Let's take these items out. And then here we're going to have the box tour. So everything that's included. And look at this already. I am already loving it. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side. And let's start looking in here. Look at these beautiful quote cards. I am no bird and no net ensnares me. I am a free human being with an independent will, Charlotte. Wow, that is pretty. I love that print here as well. And so this one says, make someday today. Wow, these are so powerful and just so beautiful. And then look at these paper clips. They are bird shaped, and I love that they're silver. I really love silver. I think that's my favorite of them all. So yeah, these are really pretty. And then we're gonna have this washi tape. Let me go ahead and kind of swatch it for you. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow, that is really pretty. And then we also have the translucent sticky note in the color soft gray, and we do get 50 sheets of these. I really love these. I feel like these are like perfect. And actually, if we look over here, we have an inbox, and I feel like these sticky notes are just perfect for here. That way we put a quick little sticky note in our inbox before we like actually transfer it into our planner. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right, look at that. That is beautiful. Wow, I love how everything just matches so well. Here is the birds, and everything is just really pretty and put together. That is why I love Jane's Agenda sub boxes. So what do we have here? The page finder, right? So look at that. I love the outline. I love that it's black and white. It is very pretty. And then, whoa, what is this? Okay, so this is going to be a pen pocket protector. So we are able to then put our pens in here. Oh my gosh, look at that. That way they're not like rolling around in our bag. Wow, that's really pretty. I love the material on this one. Super great quality. And then we are going to have some dashboards. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. These look so pretty already. Okay, let's see. Wow, look at that. I love that they're double-sided. I love like that black color. It just makes everything pop so well. Look at this one. Yeah, this one is really pretty as well. I love the pops of pink with the black. It looks so pretty. And then we're going to have our June vellum dashboard. June 2023. And look at that. It looks so beautiful, just layered like this. Oh my gosh. These are going to be pretty. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's put these off to the side so we can keep going because there's so many goodies in here. So we have the inbox inserts. Okay, let's take a look. All right, so what do we have here? Okay, so here we have like a little walkthrough. This inbox insert is designed for quickly recording tasks, projects, or ideas that you don't want to forget. By having them written down, you can stay on task and feel confident that you won't forget important information later on. And then copy everything from inbox dashboard onto your inbox planner insert. Decide what category the item is: urgent, to be scheduled, delegated, canceled, etc. Put everything written down in the corresponding section to the category you choose in your planner. Check off tasks as you complete them. Okay, so yeah, from your inbox to here. So let's see. So we have this section up here, right? And then we're going to get a description. So list everything down and then a little section to check it off. And then over here, we're going to have urgent, next action, scheduled, delegated, project, reference, someday, and canceled. Yeah, this is a great idea. That way, once you know where it's going to go in your planner, you can then transfer that information over. So I love that it's double-sided, and we actually get a ton of these. Okay, so yeah, these are going to be perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and put these off to the side as well. I just love that Jane's Agenda sub boxes include inserts like that. Because they are super helpful. And oh my gosh, let's go ahead and take a look at this, because then again we have that like black background. Okay, let's see. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Wow, I love this color. I love the way that it pops. And this picture is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're going to have the double-sided decorative dashboard set. Very pretty. So whether you do this side here, right? Whoa, if I can get it right. Okay, so here and here. Or we can also do this here and here. Oh my gosh, I love how dark this is. I'm not really like a dark type of person. I like pastels and airy and light, but sometimes you do need that like black and bold color. So let's take a look at this one. So we're gonna have a saddle stitch notebook, pomegranate floral. Yeah, look at this. I love like the watercolor effect. That is really pretty. So again, you can ever have just a notebook to kind of throw in your bag, right? So I love that it's lined as well, and that the lines are actually like really small. I like that, because sometimes the lines can be like really wide, but I like the size. It is really good. Okay, so lots of pages in this one, and then here is the back. So lots of pretty graphics on this one. I really like that. Look at that. Very beautiful. And then we're gonna have someday planning insert. Okay, let's take a look. All right, so as far as this one, let's see. Oh my gosh. So I love that they give an example, right? That way we are not wondering like how to use this item or anything like that. So let's see. Write down all things marked as someday. Then write down all information you will need as reference later when you start this project. Check off projects as you complete them. Okay, so let's see. So we're going to put the item project here, details, purpose, rough deadline, so the impact, high, medium, low, and the status, migrated, delegated, or canceled. Yeah, this is going to be great, because now that we're in like spring and summer, you know, we can get those garden projects going. So yeah, this is going to be great for that. And even as we like transition over to fall and winter, this is such a great little insert. So a few pages of these. And then, oh, what is that? Okay, let's see. It looks like some pockets. All right, let's kind of get into this. Okay, there we go. So this is a pocket insert and perfect for holding those quote cards. Okay, so let's go ahead and place this in here. So I was having a hard time with the last cover that I was using in my Go Get a Girl planner because it didn't have pockets where I can use these little quote cards. But now with this insert, that is going to be great. Look at that. I can add a few more and I can add some in the back. Oh my gosh, this is going to be perfect to just like have in front of your planner and display all of these beautiful quote cards. Oh my gosh, I love this. I hope they sell this like on the side and it's not exclusive to the box, but I'm not sure. I will have everything linked down below so you guys can check out the website. And then, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful cover. Let's see. So we have some white writing here, and then we have the beautiful watercolor illustration. Wow, that is really pretty. And then here we go. Maybe you can see it better like that. And then here is the back cover as well. Wow, I love the white writing right there. That is so pretty. And I love that it's clear as well. Oh my gosh, I am super blown away by the sub box like I am with all of the other sub boxes, right? Everything is just so pretty. Yeah, I cannot wait to set up my planner for June. So we're gonna have like all of these beautiful dashboards. Here is the vellum. Here is this one as well. Here are some covers. And then we get some inserts, right? So the inbox inserts and then Sunday planning inserts. Let me see. Yeah, right here. So a few pages of those. And then we get all of these beautiful accessories along with the notebook. So yeah, I am super, super excited about everything. I cannot wait to set up my planner for June with all of these beautiful items. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.